Today we will discuss some important questions for board examination. So first we discuss this problem. Discuss the position of the point 1, 2 and 6, 0 with respect to circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. Given that equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. And points are given here 1, 2 and 6, 0. We know that if equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 and a point P x1 y1 lie inside, outside or on the circle, then satisfy these conditions. If we put x1 y1 in given equation, then we find x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. If x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is greater than 0, it means point lie outside the circle. But if x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to 0, then point lie on the circle. Or if x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is less than 0, then point lie inside the circle. So first we check point 1, 2. If you put 1, 2 in given equation, then we find 1 square plus 2 square minus 4 into 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 11, or 1 plus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 11, this cancel by this, or 1 minus 15 is equal to minus 14. It means result is less than 0 here, so point lie inside the circle. This point lie inside the circle. Now we discuss for point 6, 0. If we put 6, 0 in equation of circle, we find 6 square plus 0 square minus 4 into 6 minus 2 into 0 minus 11, or we find 36 minus 24 minus 0 minus 11, or this will be equal to 36 minus 35, or is equal to 1. This is greater than 0. It means 6, 0 point lie outside the circle. It means point 1, 2 lie inside the circle and point 6, 0 lie outside the circle. Now we discuss next problem. Find the equation of circle with center 3 minus 2 and radius 5. We want to find the equation of a circle whose center is 3 minus 2. Center point is 3 minus 2 and radius of the circle is 5 here. So we know that equation of a circle with center hk and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. If center of the circle is hk and radius is r, but given that center of circle is 3 minus 2 and radius is 5 here, then equation of circle will be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square, or will be equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 4 plus 4y is equal to 25, or x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 13 minus 25 is equal to 0. of x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the required equation of circle whose center is 3 minus 2 and radius is 5. Now we discuss next problem. Find the equation of circle whose center is 2 minus 1 and which passing through the point 3, 6. So giving that center of the circle is 2 minus 1 and circle passing through the point 3, 6. So center is given. CP will be radius of the circle also. So CP will be equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square, 3 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus minus 1 whole square will be equal to under root 1 plus 49 is equal to under root 50. So radius of circle is under root 50 here and center of circle is 2 minus 1. So using the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, we find equation of circle because center is given and radius is given also. So equation of circle x minus 2 whole square plus y minus minus 1 whole square is equal to under root 50 whole square, or will be equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y is equal to 50. Now x minus 2 whole square is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y is equal to 50, or will be equal to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 5 minus 50 is equal to 0, or is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 45 is equal to 0 is required equation of circle whose center is 2 minus 1 and which passes through the point 3, 6. Now next problem, find the equation of circle passing through the point 2, 4 and having its center at the intersection of the line x minus y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So given that equation of lines is x minus y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Because center of circle is intersection point of these two lines. If we solve these two lines, then we find x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is center of the circle. So center is 1 minus 3 because center is intersection of these two lines. And intersection of these two lines is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 3. So center point is 1 minus 3. And given that circle passing through the point 2, 4, circle passing through the point 2, 4. So center is given here 1 minus 3 and circle passing through the point 2, 4. So CP will be equal to R. CP will be equal to R. It means radius of circle. Using distance formula, we find CP is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square. It means 2 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus minus 3. It means 4 plus 3 whole square is equal to under root 1 plus 49, or is equal to under root 50. So under root 50 is radius of circle and center is given here 1 minus 3. Using the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, we find equation of circle easily because center is given and radius is also given here. So equation of circle will be x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to under root 50 whole square. Or we find x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 9 x square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 50. Or x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y plus 10 minus 50 is equal to 0. Or x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y minus 40 is equal to 0 is a required equation of circle whose center is intersection point of these two lines and passing through the point 2, 4. So x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y minus 40 is equal to 0 is a required equation of circle.